Good morning, my dear students. Today we would be doing a beautiful poem that is God Save the Beetle, written by Ruskin Bond. So let's start. Read this poem in which the speaker makes a request to God while complaining about a beetle. Now, children, this poem is written by Ruskin Bond, as you know. So here Ruskin Bond is making a request to God, and he is also complaining here about a beetle, a small insect. You can see this black color insect. This is the beetle, and he is complaining about that beetle. Now let's find out in the poem what the poet is saying. Lord, please give some sense of direction to this beetle who keeps blundering through the open window and falling into the goldfish bowl. Twice I have kept him from drowning and returned him to the garden, but he keeps coming back, zooming and diving about the room until plop, he is in the goldfish bowl again, swimming round and round and looking very tired. In 5 minutes' time, I must go to bed. And if you don't get this beetle to look after himself, who will? Besides, it makes the goldfish nervous. Now, children, here Ruskin Bond is praying to Almighty God that, Lord, please give some sense of direction to this beetle. Please help this beetle. Please give some direction to this beetle who keeps blundering through the open window. Blundering means making a careless mistake, who is doing a mistake again and again by going here and there through the open window and falling into the goldfish bowl. That beetle is roaming here and there, wandering here and there and falling into the goldfish bowl again and again. Twice I have kept him from drowning. Twice means do baar I have kept him, I have saved him from drowning. Drowning means डूबने से बचाया मैंने उसको, डूब. And returned him to the garden, and I made him return to the garden, but he keeps coming back, zooming and diving. लेकिन वो फिर से वापस आ जाता है, zooming and diving. Zooming means moving with great speed. He comes back with great speed and diving. डाइव कर करके अबाउट द रूम अंटिल प्लॉप. अबाउट द रूम, वो फिर से रूम में आ जाता है अंटिल प्लॉप. Plop is the sound when you throw a pebble into the water and that sound comes. That sound is plop here. Okay. He is in the goldfish bowl again. Now that beetle, the poet is saying that the beetle is again in that goldfish bowl, swimming round and looking very tired. Again and again वो goldfish round and round घूम घूम के बहुत थक चुकी है. That beetle is very tired now. In 5 minutes I must go to bed, and in 5 minutes I will go to bed. मैं सोने चला जाऊँगा. Who? The poet is talking about himself, that in 5 minutes he will go to bed. And if you don't get this beetle to look after himself, who will? And अगर उसने बीटल को पानी से बाहर नहीं निकाला, then who will look after him? उसकी देखभाल कौन करेगा? If again he will goes into the water, who will? Besides, it makes the goldfish nervous. And besides, और क्या हो रहा है? उससे goldfish भी nervous हो रही है. There is a goldfish, you can see here in the picture, in that bowl there is a goldfish, and she is also getting nervous by looking at the beetle again and again. That beetle is coming and making her scared. Okay, so this is the complaint of the poet to God, and he's making the request to God that please save the beetle. God, please save the beetle. Alright children, so this was a very short and sweet poem which I have explained to you. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.